In this video, we will learn how to reset setting in Google Chrome. So let's start. Just click on the three dot and click on the settings option. And here you found the reset settings option. Just click on it and click on the restore settings to their original default. So reset setting, this action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome's shortcuts, disable extensions, delete the cookies and temporary site data, bookmarks, history, save password would not be affected. Okay, this is a way you can reset your setting. Just click on it, reset setting, this setting will resets. Wait for the few seconds and it resets. So that's it. The setting Google Chrome settings it resets. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.